Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful button shirts ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Friends, button flower arch. Choose a few colorful buttons and arrange them together. To create flower petal, add a smaller button in the center and use a piece of string paint or small wooden stick for the stem. You can create silver flower in different colors and place them on a canvas or wooden board. This is a simple project, but the final result can look beautiful. And viewers, my next idea is prints. Button wall art. Button can easily become colorful wall art. Take a plain canvas to draw simple designs such as a tree, heart, butterfly, or flower. Now fill the design with button. You can choose one color for a clean look or more many colors for bright and playful effect. A button tray is especially beautiful. Use brown paint or yarn for the branches and colorful button as the leaves. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Friends, viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz.